What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? Before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang gang. Before we get into this video, like I said, don't forget to add me on that Instagram. Don't forget to add me on the Snap. Even though you don't see the Snap on there, it's SgmCashoutKing. Same thing, like I said. You know, the like page is SgmCashoutKing because Facebook shut down all the like page SgmCashoutKing. Y'all already watching this on YouTube, Twitter. I really haven't been on my social media platform. I just been answering stuff like on the DMs and stuff like that. Cause you know, business is business at the end of the day. So I try to answer people, help people out as much as I can, and etc. People that want to get down with the business. But anyways, let's get into this video. This video is about a website that some of y'all seen, some of y'all haven't, called Z2. Zip not a zilch, as you can see right there. The link will be in the description below. Let me go into the status right here, so I can let you know what this is about. 1 second, I'm gonna go to the offer. Excuse me. Like I said, this is Zip not a zilch, which is Z2. That's what it stands for. This website is about it's an offer website, no different from Netflix, Hulu, or anything. I use an example in all my videos. Like I said, you need to get 2 credits. As you can see, when I did this, it was a while ago, so I got 210. As long as you get 2 credits and up, that's all that matters. But at the time, I had to do 5 offers. I didn't have to, but the offers I picked, you know what I mean, were, you know, that's what it added up to. See, 40, 60, that's 100. Another 30, that's 130. Another 40, that's 170, plus another 40 was 210. So like I said, there's gonna be a pink label up there that you haven't done your requirements right here. But since I've did it already, it says congratulations, yada yada yada, you fill your requirements, whatever, blah blah blah. Anyways, like I said, you only gotta do this one time. One time, you never gotta do it again. Like I said, and a lot of y'all been lacking on this, man. Like, a lot of y'all signed up and y'all doing the same thing y'all were doing in 2016, 2017, and bringing it on to 2018. So if you signed up, man, what are you waiting for? Like, I don't understand. Then you wonder why things is not moving. Stop doing the same thing that you was doing in 2017 and doing it in 2018. Like I said, in order to get to the next level, to move forward, to reach those goals, you need to stop taking the risk, take the leap of faith, make yourself uncomfortable. You're used to going to school, you're used to working for whatever boss you're working for, you know your position when you go to work, the same thing you do every day, so you're comfortable with that. You're comfortable with the pay, you're comfortable with the boss telling you what to do, when you take a vacation, when you can get a raise, you're comfortable with waking up to an alarm every day, but you probably hate it. Come on, get to it, let's get to the money, man. The money's here, the money's here. You know what I'm saying? I live a no job, you know what I'm saying, no job lifestyle. Like, and I know, like I said, a lot of y'all can say, oh, I love my job, listen, please, I don't care what career you got, what job you got. At the end of the day, if you had $1 million, $2 million, you ain't gonna be working for nobody. I don't care how much you love your job, period. But anyways, let's get into this video right here. All you need is 2 credits. I'm not gonna tell you which ones to get. You can start with whatever you want. But like I said, I'm gonna give you an example like I do on all my videos. Like I said, here, make sure it's free and instantly. You can't go to varies and instantly, because it's gonna give you whatever they want. Free and instantly. Like, for example, alright, so if we go here, ABC Mouse, to give you an example, that's 30 credits. So we got 30 instantly and free. Alright, so let's go to another instant and free. Alright, this is free grant money. That's 60 instant and free. So we had 30 and 60, that's 90. Let's find another one. Let's find another one right here, Magic Jack. So we had 90, so far now we got 80, so 80 more on top of 90, that is 170, right? All right, so now we need basically one more. We did 3 credits so far, so let's find another one that's instantly and free. So if we had 170, I might as well look for one that's 30, you know what I'm saying, or over, to get that 2 credits, you know what I mean? So we find another one, maybe up here somewhere. All right, perfect. Oh, no, this is 20. Let's go another 60. So maybe you could rearrange that one. Let's just say, like I said, 60, right? Let's just do this over. 60 right here. 80 with the Magic Jack. So 80 with the Magic Jack. That's 140, right? That's 140 plus the grant. That's 2 credits. So that's 3 right there. The grand was 60. The grand was 60, right? This is 80, which makes 140. Then another 60 up here, which was the grant right here. I mean the credit score right there. So that was just 3 credits, man. Like I said, that's 3 credits. And all you have, I mean, that wasn't 3 credits, that's 2 credits. 3 offers you did right there. You could pick those if you want to. That was easy as hell. You do 3 offers that I just showed you right there. That's 2 credits, you're done. You're done. You don't ever gotta do this again. All you gotta do is put in reminders. It's like a 7-day trial, like I said, for Netflix or Hulu or GameStop. Any trial, doesn't matter what trial. If you got Netflix, 90% of y'all do. Like I said, when y'all first started, it was a 7-day trial. You paid nothing, right? If you didn't like the Netflix when you was using it for those 7 days, guess what? You got to cancel it before 7 days. If you don't cancel it, it was going to charge you. They were sending $7.99 at the time. Now it's not. Now it's $10. It's going to charge you $10 since you ain't canceled because you must liked it. Set an alarm on your phone for 5 days on your calendar and to remind you in 5 days, cancel all 3 of these trials. You get what I'm saying? That's easy money. And make sure, let's just say you want to get a family relative to do it. You can't have nobody in the same house with the same address do it. Or they'll ban your account. If you go to your friend's house, let's just say for example, and you're on their Wi-Fi and you want them to do this, but you know y'all don't live together, obviously, you cannot be on the same Wi-Fi band. You can't be on the same Wi-Fi, or you can't use the same device because they know that they copy the IP address and they'll ban your account. So let's just say you want to sign up your friend off your phone and you're outside. You can't do it off your phone. You already made an account off your IP address if you made it on your phone. Or you made whatever IP you use, whether it's your computer or your phone, they already know it already once you signed up with them. See what I'm saying? So they gotta sign up with their phone or their computer, and you can't be on the same Wi-Fi network. They gotta be on their internet, you'll be on yours. They gotta be separate everything, if you get what I'm saying. Separate everything. So like I said, you put the reminder on your phone once again for 5 days. Then all you gotta do is go to the this right here, or go to the website. I'm pretty sure you could Google that, click your score, the money grant, and the other one I told you. Go to the website, look for the number, call them straight up. Listen, I want to cancel my account. They're gonna try to keep you. Oh, why you wanna? Listen, I don't want it right now. That's it. They'll cancel it. You won't get charged. Like I said, you're done. Send a link to your friend. Show them how to do it. You know what I'm saying? We'll give them the rundown. If they don't want to do it like the way you doing it, like, you know what I'm saying, just be like, yo, do me the favor, do it for me. You don't ever got to touch this again. I got plenty of friends that did this for me. They never used the site not once in their life ever again. Like I said, they don't even do marketing, they don't even use the apps, period, but they did me the favor just so I could get paid. Like I said, it's simple like that. That's all you really got to do, man. This is real simple mathematics, man. I just broke it down with 3 offers. 3 offers. And yet you qualify, and after that, all you gotta do is get the person to do the same thing. The same thing that you just did, the person's gonna repeat. That simple. Like I said, it's easy money. It's straight to your paper. I got plenty of payment proof on this. Like I said, and it's go straight to your PayPal within 2 to 3 days. No more than 72 hours. Like I said. So instead of doing 5 like I did at the time, you're only gonna do 3 if you pick those 3 that I showed you. It's that simple, man. Like I said, get to the money. Like I said, there's plenty of y'all that, yo, listen, y'all sign up and don't do nothing with it. I got hundreds and hundreds. I don't even know what's the point of that. They don't even do 1 credit. Cause I see a couple people, like maybe they might have did 1 credit and they got, you know, they gave them like 30 for, I guess, whatever credit they got, or 50, and they never continue. Like you went halfway. Like, why would you have 1 foot in? I said, let's just say to success, knowing you need 1 more, you know what I'm saying, to success, to get the full success, the full benefits of success. But you're like, you know what? I like being half broke and half rich. Like, what the hell is that? Like, what's the point of that? Like, there's no point. I want to be half broke and half rich. You know what I mean? It's like it's either you want it or you don't. There's no half stepping in it. You want it or you don't. Like I said, I'd rather people not sign up and do nothing if they're not gonna do nothing with it. It's the same thing anyway. What you think your name's gonna look good in the background, like in the back office? Like, if you're not gonna do it, don't even bother. Like I said, you must like being broke. You must like, you know, being bossed around. It's be bossed around or boss up. Like, which one you want to do? Like I said, 5 years ago, I decided to boss up, and this is where I've been so far, and it's only getting better. Like I said, y'all gonna see my journey. what I'm saying? Like, I'm giving you all this free information for a reason. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't do this for my health. I'm doing this to help y'all, but how do y'all just don't, I guess there's nothing. If you can't help yourself, then I can't even help you at the end of the day, like I said. But you just gotta level up, man, and just get to the money. The money is there. You always don't. You can't complain. Oh, this and that. This. I ain't got no money. And got this and that. Why you think you don't got no money? Cause you ain't taking action. You gotta start somewhere, even if it's small, man. It don't matter. It don't matter if it's just $5, $10. I remember scraping up. I remember, like I said, I got plenty of stories. But like I said, I'm not gonna be here all day talking about it. Like I said, there was this apps that I did like $5 multiple times, like 20 times. And then, like I said, this is a while ago, almost 2 years ago. Almost 2 years ago, and then I had to pay a car insurance. And I didn't have all the money. Then I remembered I had money in my PayPal, but no way did I think it was gonna be over, I think about $250 in there. Maybe I thought about $60 at max. And I'm like, let me go in there. I seen it was like $250. I'm like, oh my God, my car insurance was like $150, and I had $100 to myself. Like I said, I would have never thought that, you know what I'm saying? But it was just a consistent grind. You know what I'm saying? Not thinking, oh, this is small. Remember, I said it was $5 each time that I cashed out, but I learned how to duplicate. That's the key to this whole thing. I learned how to duplicate. Like I said, remember I was stuck on zero. If you duplicate zero, that means you got nothing. I just kept trying. I kept getting zero, but I never gave up. That's the key to success. I never gave up. I got 5 one time. Like, damn, this is how you get 5? So then I already know how to get $5, so I did it again. I did it again. I did it again. I kept doing it, and look what happened. And then I just applied that to everything I was doing, and I never really looked back. Like I said, but I hope y'all take some of this information and just, you know, apply that to everything y'all do. But anyway, the link will be in the description below. The SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.